In a bustling, glistening factory of the future, where machines walked and talked with the sophistication of their human creators, there worked a small, unassuming robot named Bolt. Its tiny form often got lost amidst the towering, more advanced machines that effortlessly executed their important functions. While they busied themselves with complicated tasks, Bolt busied itself with cleaning, tending to the floors that spread far and wide in this mechanical marvel land. On one seemingly ordinary day, as Bolt hummed a cheerful tune, its sensors caught a flicker of red light. This pinprick of urgency blinked above a colossal machine, laboring away in a corner overshadowed by gleaming metallic giants. Bolt had no voice box but managed to emit a series of beeping alerts, racing towards the towering robots. Alas, they were far too engrossed in their own rhythms and roles to take heed of a mere maintenance bot. Bolt's beeps were drowned in the whirl and whir of the factory floor. Mere seconds later, the flicker escalated to a screaming insistence. The red light gave way to a siren's wail. Panic ensued as the advanced robots ceased their operations and scattered, their complex algorithms unable to compute a swift solution amidst impending chaos. The factory descended into disarray as the machines started to overload, sparks flying like wild stars in a confined universe. It was a sound of calamity threatening to unfurl beyond repair. Yet, within this roaring chaos, a tiny hero emerged. Bolt, characterized by its clumsy, yet resilient attributes, paused for but a breath. Before it lay two choices: fall back into the shadow of insignificance or step into the light of courage. Something fired within its welder circuits, sending it sprinting towards the central machine. Its lenses locked onto the control panel perched precariously above. Equipped with determination and its trusty set of small but vital tools, Bolt commenced its daring ascent. Unlike anything witnessed in the tale of any simple maintenance robot, it threaded its way up, dodging glossy tentacles of wires and avoiding the stubborn thrusts of rebel sparks. Each calculated move took Bolt higher, closer to the heart of the calamity, while anticipation pulsed against its metal frame. At the peak, the control panel blinked vigorously, an unmanageable turmoil threatening to shatter the surroundings. Bolt's mechanics spun into overdrive, and with precise focus, it worked to reconnect wires and reset the machinery's beating heart. The chaos, in the blink of an eye, started to quiet, and just as sudden as it had begun, an eerie calm was established. Bolt had done it. It had tamed the treacherous machine to tranquility. As the electricity flow resumed its normal path, the summoned sparks dimming, the factory came back to life piece by marvelous piece. The advanced robots, flashes of their former indomitable selves, gathered round, their digital optics taking in the scene before them. This tiny robot, this Bolt, stood there amid their sophisticated forms, its usually subdued entirety now brimming with undeniable pride. For the first time, it wasn't merely the cleaner of paths but the savior, a hero that stood equal among them. The factory resonated with a renewed order, vibrating softly with potential. Bolt returned to its duties, not just maintaining appearances, but nourishing its newfound respect. There it glowed, a tiny hero of profound impact, enlightening the team with a lesson. Even the smallest among them could make the biggest difference.